Hello children, welcome back to Spark Physics by Ashish sir. The today's topics which we are dealing with is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with dielectric. In the previous video we have done capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. There we got capacitance of parallel plate capacitor C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. We have seen that this capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor depends on size and shape of the capacitor. But why we need this dielectric? What is the need of putting dielectric in the capacitor? Because this, in the previous video I have explained you that the charging of the capacitor stops if the potential between the plates of the capacitor is equal to potential of the battery. That means we are unable to add more charges. So now if we want to increase the capacitance of the capacitor, what is the other method? This will help us to increase the capacitance of the capacitor. This dielectric, when inserted between the plates of the capacitor, we will see in the last that it will increase the capacity of the capacitor. How it increases? First we will see its derivation. So you see, here I have taken the parallel plate capacitor. One plate positively charged, another plate negatively charged. We have introduced a dielectric of thickness T, whose thickness T is less than the separation between the plates of the capacitor, which is small t. When we insert this dielectric inside the capacitor, you see polarization of the dielectric starts due to the electric field of the capacitor. E naught is the electric field of the capacitor. In this, when the polarization starts, we find the positive charges are induced at the lower part where we have negative plate. Obviously, the opposite charges will attract, and the negative charges are induced on the upper side. So you can see here at the bottom there are positive charges induced, here there are negative charges induced. तो क्या होगा? You will find that कि जो electric field develop हुआ अंदर in the dielectric, which is E polarization, that is because of the polarization of the dielectric we are getting induced electric field EP. ये जो electric field EP develop हुआ है अंदर, इसका डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव की तरफ. EP is in the opposite direction to the electric field due to capacitor. दोनों के डायरेक्शन अलग अलग है. अब आप देखिए इसके अंदर, इसका मतलब ये होगा कि जो नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है E will be E naught जो ओरिजिनल था माइनस EP, because this EP reduces the original electric field. तो जो अंदर हमको इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मिला है that is getting reduced. This also we have done in the previous video, how this electric field get reduced. Okay, so you see here the electric field E naught is existing in the remaining part. This is very important. This E naught will be existing in the remaining part of the capacitor, but inside the dielectric you will find reduced electric field E equal to E naught minus EP. Okay, now see, we have seen the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor of plate area A and separation D. It comes out to be C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D, where we know A is area of the capacitor plates and D is separation between the plates, this D. Okay, so the uniform electric field setup between capacitor plates. तो ये जो E naught है कैपेसिटर प्लेट के बीच में जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेटअप हुआ है वो कितना होगा? सिग्मा अपॉन एप्सिलॉन नॉट. सिग्मा क्या है यहाँ पर? सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी, जिसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Q अपॉन A. This sigma is surface charge density which we can write Q upon A. So it becomes E naught equal to Q upon A epsilon naught. ये तो हुआ जब हमने डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब इंसर्ट नहीं किया था. Now अब हम देखेंगे कि जब डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब थिकनेस T का इस प्लेट्स के बीच में इंसर्ट करते हैं, so we have seen there is a polarization. So the electric field E naught polarizes the dielectric. तो जो इंड्यूस्ड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हुआ EP इनसाइड द स्लैब कितना हो गया, EP इक्वल टू सिग्मा P अपॉन एप्सिलॉन नॉट। सिग्मा P क्या है, अगेन सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी ऑफ द पोलराइज्ड डाइलेक्ट्रिक। द नेट फील्ड इनसाइड द डाइलेक्ट्रिक, हमने अभी बताया आपको कि जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अंदर होगा वो क्या हो जाता है, रेड्यूस हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है। तो जो E नॉट था उससे EP को हम माइनस करेंगे। सो वी आर गेटिंग E इक्वल टू E नॉट माइनस EP। दिस विल गिव यू E नॉट अपॉन K। ये E नॉट अपॉन K हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो यू मस्ट हैव सीन वी हैव डिफाइंड डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट K अंडर द हेडिंग रिड्यूस्ड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। वो कैसे आया था? E नॉट दैट इज रेशियो ऑफ original electric field to the reduced electric field gives out the dielectric constant of the dielectric slab. Now, अब देखिए आप, हमने पहले भी बता दिया E नॉट एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है कहां पर, ओवर डिस्टेंस T। ये जो E है इट इज एग्जिस्टिंग इन T एंड E नॉट कहां एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, D माइनस T, बाकी की जो स्पेस है उसमें एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है। So what will be potential now? Potential का definition हमारे पास है electric field into separation or distance. So V is equal to, we have seen E naught is existing in distance D minus T and E is existing in T. So we can write E naught D minus T plus this E. What we can write for this? Can we write something? You see here E naught by K into T. From here we can take E naught common, you will get D minus T plus T upon K. Okay. E naught also we can write from this equation Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T plus T upon K. This is potential. Now we will see what is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor। ये जो डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब को इंसर्ट करने के बाद we have formula C is equal to Q upon V. This will take C dash because we have taken already C here. Substitute value Q we have, V we are getting A epsilon naught D minus T plus T upon K, right? And this Q. Okay, so the resultant we are getting C dash is equal to, this Q will cancel, we are left with epsilon naught A upon D minus T plus T upon K. This is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when dielectric slab is inserted. Now this dielectric slab we have taken such that its thickness is less than the separation D. What if we take the thickness T equal to D? That means dielectric exists over whole space. That is, we can see if dielectric fills entire space, पूरा स्पेस यदि कवर कर लेगा, then we are getting T equal to D. Substitute here, C dash will be equal to epsilon naught A upon this D equal to D, this will cancel, we are left with T upon K, right? And this T is nothing but, we can write D now. So we are getting C dash is equal to epsilon naught A upon D into K. Very important relation. you see here C dash is equal to K times, this is nothing but the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when no dielectric. So it becomes K times C. So obviously you can see that this C dash getting increased. यदि आपके पास डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट 3 आप ले लें और यदि कैपेसिटेंस पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर का 5 फैराड है, so you will get 3 into 5 15. Capacitance is getting increased when we are filling the dielectric slab between the capacitor plates. Okay, so this finishes with the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with the dielectric slab. So from the result we can see that the capacity of the capacitor we can increase. Okay, thank you everyone. We will come with the next topic in the next video. Thank you.